Hi there, hope you're doing well. This is Lee. Have you ever wanted to create your own subscription-based business? Well, in today's short video, we'll be looking at how you can create your own subscription-based service using Cratejoy. Now, Cratejoy allows you to create your own subscription-based business without the faff of having to set up your own website or payment system, which could take hours, weeks, months. Once your online subscription-based business is up and running, Cratejoy will also give your marketing a boost by featuring you on their own unique subscription marketplace. This means you can get your business in front of thousands of eager to buy subscription hungry customers. In fact, Cratejoy gets thousands of visits a month to their website. Now, Cratejoy is a paid service and costs $39 per month. However, they do provide a 14-day free trial so you can test it out and give it a go before you commit any money. To get started, simply go to cratejoy.com and create an account. So I hope you have found this video really helpful. I've also put together a list of other marketplace platforms which you can use to build your business online. Check the video description below to download the document. Please do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in a future video.